Hanbin and Sun Yijin are trending again, and this time, it's all because of a simple family photo that looks like it was taken in Paris.
But here's my take. It's not about the location. It's about how real they feel. No flashy moments, no overacting. Just a quiet, happy family. And in a world where everything feels staged, that kind of simplicity stands out. Sometimes, the most powerful love stories are the ones that don't try too hard. What do you think? Just a simple moment or something deeper?